Imagine stepping out in your regular sunglasses, but instead of just blocking the sun, they answer your questions, translate signs in real time, play music, and even help you send messages, all without ever pulling out your phone. Futuristic, right? Yes, but all this is now real. Meta glasses can record moments from your point of view hands-free. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses can shoot full HD videos at 30 fps using a 12MP ultra-wide camera, and the result? Wide, stable footage with surprisingly clear spatial audio.